Whether for harvesting or for feeding animals, farmers need a variety of different machinery and implements for their daily tasks. These are all equipped with different kinds of drive shafts and are used at different frequencies. This means it's not always easy to keep track of operating hours, maintenance needs, and the right spare parts. The Walterscheid Connected Service Assistant solves this challenge. With the Connected Service Assistant, you always keep track of drive shafts, operating hours, and maintenance needs. It gives you all the information you need on your smartphone. Thanks to the new Walterscheid Connected Service ID, drive shafts can be easily and clearly identified. The Walterscheid Connected Service Counter automatically logs the operating hours of each implement and drive shaft, enabling optimal maintenance. The logging of operating hours makes it easy to calculate the maintenance intervals of drive shafts and other machine components, allowing maintenance to be performed at the right time. As a digital checkbook, the Walterscheid Connected Service Assistant is an essential tool for your daily routine. Now, every maintenance task can be effortlessly documented and later reviewed. The Connected Service Assistant also connects all team members, and work on machines can be easily synchronized. Back to the farmers. With the Walterscheid Connected Service Assistant, you always stay on top of things and have access to additional useful information about all drive shafts. Get the Walterscheid Connected Service Assistant app now.